Hello students, welcome back to my channel Lightup Knowledge and very warm welcome to today's video. I hope you all are doing great. In today's video we will cover interrogative pronouns. There is a separate playlist of pronouns in English language on my channel, the link of which will be available in the description box. Now let's get started, and before starting make sure that you have liked this video and subscribe to my channel. Now let's get started. What are interrogative pronouns? Interrogative pronouns are pronouns that are used to ask questions. Who, whose, whom, which and what are interrogative pronouns. So, who, whose, whom, which, what are used to ask questions, and they are interrogative pronouns. So, interrogative pronouns can be used to ask questions about people or things. Example, who is assisting you in this project? What do you need? Which is your book? So, the best way to identify if the interrogative pronoun is used correctly is to frame answers to the questions. So, if you have a noun or a pronoun that acts as a subject or object as your answer, that means that you are using it absolutely correct, right? Let us have a look at these examples again. The first one is, who is assisting you in this project? And the answer would be, Charles is assisting me in this project. So, Charles here is acting as a subject in a sentence and therefore is a noun, so or a pronoun. So, therefore, that exactly is a framework of the right interrogative pronoun in the particular sentence. Next is, what do you need? I need a chalk. So, chalk is acting as an object in the sentence, therefore, this is also a correct statement. The next is, which is your book? So, the science one. So, therefore, how to recognize that the framework of the sentence is correct is that you should have a noun or a pronoun which should be acting as the subject or object to your answer, and that will automatically make the framework of that interrogative pronoun correct in your questions, right? I hope you understood what an interrogative pronoun is. Difference between interrogative pronouns and interrogative adjectives. So, what, which and whose can be used both as interrogative pronoun and interrogative adjectives. Okay, so there is a slight difference between the both. So, you have to remember that the words what, which and whose functions as interrogative adjectives also, and they also work as interrogative pronouns. So, when they appear just before noun, for example, what fruit is this? So, therefore, in this condition it is interrogative adjective because it is describing and the noun is just placed before it, right. So, there is a a way in which we recognize it. When there is no noun near it, it will always be interrogative pronoun because the major task of a pronoun is to replace noun, right. So, there should be no noun near it whatsoever. So, let us have a look at these two examples here. Which book is yours? And the next example is, which is your book? One is interrogative adjective, and why it is an interrogative adjective? Because it is describing, okay, a noun is just placed next to it. So, therefore, it is an interrogative adjective. And in the next sentence, in the sentence number 2, which is your book? So, in this particular sentence no noun is placed near the interrogative word which. So, therefore, it happens to be interrogative pronoun, right. How to recognize an interrogative adjective is that there should be a noun placed next to it, then it will become an interrogative adjective. If there is no noun placed near it, it will be an interrogative pronoun. So, yes guys, that was all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you found it useful. If you did, please like, share and subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon so that you can get regular updates of the videos that I upload. Do consider subscribing it and sharing it with your friends and family. All the important links of the playlist will be linked down in the description box below. Until we meet next time, keep learning and keep growing.